This is a Bosch WFK2801. Let's have a look at how to do the lint filter. In case the washing machine's full of water or not pumping out correctly, go down to the bottom, get a screwdriver or a butter knife from the kitchen and turn those two little keys and get your screwdriver, pop the top off. Inside there's this black hose, pull the knob out at the end of that, twist it maybe, and lots of yuck water will come out. It's a snotty, soapy stuff. If you're doing this indoors, do it somewhere that you can catch the water, using a baking tray or a grill pan or something like that, or just put a towel down, towel will catch it. And typically you'd let all that drain out first, but I'll just move straight on over here. This is where the filter is. You open up this little plug and you see what's caught in it. It looks like we have some fluff. That's the pump blade. It's just got some fluff and snots, a bit of a piece of paper or tissue, and what looks like half of an underwire from a bra. So that's what you find. To clean it, you could give that a proper clean if you wanted, but in reality you don't need to. Screw that back in, push this back in, clip the front on at the bottom first, and then the top, and then lock the sides in position. Thanks for watching, see you later.